Finally, after 3 years of watching the tiny home movement, we finally got a chance to stay in one. Confirm there is a tiny home on a trailer. You can see the hitch here, right? And these are the windows. Of course, this platform was added on. A UPVC sliding door, see, with 6-point locking system. And that's how it looks like. This is about 5 meters. You have a queen size bed which is southwest facing. I think there's a sliding roof on top, right? The tabletop is about 2.5 meters. Alright, so you've got drawers here. This for your cutleries and plates. You've got your pots and pans here. Okay. There's a diesel heater, right? And this is where the vent for the diesel heater. And of course you have your standard amenities, which is your microwave and your fridge. Now coming into the toilet. So the toilet, okay, is a dry bath. So you've got your shower, which is quite sizable. There's also a heater vent, right? So this is what we have here. It's an interesting place.